Today is day 21, so before we leave, let's have a tour of this campsite. Okay, this campsite is called Panya Sukjak. Okay, and the first thing you notice, right, is that the floors are paved with gravel. Okay, and it's very flat. So for those of you living in your vehicle or camper like me, right, you're gonna have a flat and a comfortable sleep at night. Okay, and this campsite is also part of a cafe, which is a nice touch. See, you can chill here, do your work here, use your laptop here. Okay, and then to the toilet, which is my favorite part. Okay, there's an outdoor sink and mirror area to use. Okay, and the toilet, like I said before, is like made of strong concrete. Okay, some campsites toilet are made of plastic or sheet metal, and it feels like it's gonna fall apart when you're using it. Okay, inside of toilet is basic, but importantly it's spacious. Okay, outdoor urinal for guys too. Okay, let's check out the foyer. Okay, this is the viewing deck. It's quite a peaceful environment. So nothing special about this campsite is that just there at the backyard, okay, there are fireflies at night. You can just walk there at night, okay, and enjoy the fireflies. There's quite a number of them there. Okay, this campsite also provides a rubbish disposal service. Okay, not all campsites do that. Some of them even collect rubbish disposal deposit to ensure that every camper bring out the rubbish on their own. It's not a big deal, it's just that it's more convenient when the campsite has such disposal services. Okay, the only minor drawback about this campsite, right, is that there's quite a number of mosquitoes at night. But the owner was kind enough to give some repellent lotion while I was like working at this area. Today we'll be heading up north towards Tak. So the first stop will be at a town at Kampeng Tet, and then after that we're gonna head north to Musu Hill Tribe Market. Okay, and then we'll call it a day at the Lansang National Park. Okay, the total distance today is 192 km. Takes about 3 hours. Okay, this is the Muso tribes market. So mainly selling like meat, fruits and vegetables. There are also spices and some medicinal stuff. Okay, I think we are in the Lansang National Park already, heading to the viewpoint to camp. is the final 250 meter, but the road looks really rough and muddy. Oh, GG, looks like it's close. Okay, just spoke to the ranger residing here. So this place is closed for renovation and it's already 6:16, so I don't think I can make it out to the main road before nightfall. So we're gonna have a bit of driving in the dark. Oh shit, man. So there's no data now and I hit a speed junction. I need to ask around for directions, how to get out of here. Ui. Okay, I should probably be following this car. Hopefully it's getting out also. Left or right? Hi. Okay, the right road looks better, so let's go the right. I just had dinner at this small Thai restaurant and I'm very near the exit already. Bye bye! Okay, so they guided me to another nature reserve that's just across the road from this, and they said that that place is still open and probably I can find some accommodation there. Okay, we are now in the Lansang National Park. So there's 3 accommodation here. Hopefully they are open, or at least one of them. Shit, man, look at the fog. Okay, I think we are here.